very easy. Say, for instance, you wanted to get Netflix. All you gotta do is click on Netflix, and I think may have already downloaded it. Let's go for one that I haven't. So we'll hit the back. Skype. I think Skype is already installed. There it is. Apps by Skype. Free Wi-Fi, or Skype Wi-Fi free. I mean, you can do that. Let's see. Here we go. VLC. One of the top video players that I have, or use at least on Windows 7. VLC for Windows 8. So if it works for 8, 90% of the time it's going to work for 10. At least that's what I'm finding out anyway. Pretty much all you do is hit the install button, and it's going to do its whole loading thing and ask me if it's going to tell me that it's installing, and if I want to add a payment method, and I'm going to say ask me later, and then it's down here, little pop-up that says it's done, and you can click on it and it'll launch it, which is pretty much just like any Android, or I'm assuming iOS device. Unfortunately, I haven't used an iOS device yet, so I'm not 100% sure. That being said, I'm not adversely affected by it, so just close that out. Brings up, I believe, like it would in the app. I don't know, but I have already gone and downloaded the Facebook app, and just to show you real quick, if I can find it here. Oh, now why can't I? Oh, there it is. And everything goes in, I believe, alphanumeric order. So that's good. So it comes up. It doesn't matter. So as long as you know the first letter of the name, you're set. And here is the quintessential Facebook app that you would normally see on your Android or iOS device, where you have your your feed, messages, and all your groups and such on the left, your contacts and such on the right, and your news feed in the center, which is nice, which is absolutely nice. I actually like being able to go to an app, more or less a standalone program for Facebook. I just think it's easier and more fluid that way. But again, this is my personal opinion. Chrome itself is very quick, very easy to use. And that's not just for because of my internet. I mean, I can go to let me think. Google, and I mean, it's pretty quick and snappy. That may just be because of the internet that I have, but it also may be true because of optimizations and things like that. I couldn't be happier so far. I don't know if people are having issues with their stream their copies of it crashing, but I know at least on my device, my laptop here, it's running like a champ. Let me try a heavier bandwidth site. Let me think. Let me see. Let me see if I have one that's. Yeah. Let's try Steam. Steam powered. Yeah, snappy. It's smooth. It is very fluid, very smooth. I haven't had, don't seem to be having any hiccups. I've basically been letting my computer run for the past, I would say, day or two since I uploaded the install video, which will be in the video's description if you would like to go ahead and try it out for yourself. Yeah, like I said, I've been running it non-stop, basically just letting the computer run, do its thing. There was an update yesterday evening that I went ahead and downloaded. It was just security and your basic Windows updates, and it doesn't seem to have changed much. If you go to PC settings, which I like having right then and there, devices, user accounts. This is if you go to PC settings, it's more or less like your control panel was in the previous versions of Windows, and it's pretty simple to do, easy to go to. Network, it tells you, it gives you more of a GUI interface rather than, say the Windows 7 style. And I apologize if the stream is hiccuping and such. It might just be the OS itself, but I don't know. You do have the option to turn on airplane mode, meaning it'll stop all wireless communications and to include Wi-Fi, which is nice. So if you're on an airplane, you're not going to have to worry about shutting down your wireless card and hoping that it's actually 100% disabled. Having the airplane mode is definitely a nice feature. PC and devices lets you change your lock screen picture. This is the one that I currently have, and this is the one that I'm going to give it a shot. And it'll also allow you to have apps on your lock screen, which I'm going to do Twitter and Facebook just because I actively participate in the social media. If you guys don't already know, if you guys leave a comment, I try and do my best to get in touch with you guys, give you any help that I can give. Let's see, go to display, lets you, quick and easily change the resolution if need be. Bluetooth, if you have Bluetooth devices or a card, which is pretty freaking cool, because now I can I was having issues with Windows 7 and getting the Bluetooth devices to actually sync to my computer. I couldn't figure out why. I really couldn't. But it seems like, at least for Windows 10 being optimized for desktop and tablet, it has the Bluetooth drivers already built in, and making it easier for you to pair with your devices. Say you have a little I guess you could say dongle for your Bluetooth device. It'll make it easier for you to pair. If you go to devices, it'll tell you what all is connected. You can see if you have a NAS or that you have a Bluetooth radio, or say you're using a wireless keyboard and mouse, especially Logitech. You've got the little small USB dongle that just sits in your USB. And if you're connected to a network, it will look to see, say you have a Samsung TV that has the ability to do the sharing, the ability to share. You cast your videos to the big screen. It kind of syncs that automatically, which is very, very nice. And then you've got your mouse and touchpad, the standard features. It's just overall nice. In case you guys here, this is what I really wanted to find: the PC info. In case you guys were wondering what all type of system am I running on this machine that it's actually holding stable, and I'm doing quite a bit, bouncing back and forth between applications, things like that. It's got the Intel Core i5 3210 mobile CPU at 2.5 gigahertz, 8 gigs of RAM, using a 64-bit OS on a 64-bit processor. And the graphics card is a 650M, NVIDIA 650M. And it's absolutely more than sufficient enough to take care of everything that I need to. Just everything is snappy and very well put together, I will have to say. Congratulations to Microsoft in their Windows 10 technical preview. I absolutely look forward to seeing what they will actually roll out with next for the full updated version of Windows 10. Don't forget to like this video if you like it. Hit the thumbs down if you didn't. But either way, it helps me out, lets me know what you guys think, and please do not hesitate to leave me a comment, because I do look for them. I do try, like I said, I do try to respond as best that I can, and I just try to engage socially and get your feedback, because ultimately, the videos that I create are for you, and to be honest, you guys are the people that matter. The 310 people that are subscribed to me right now, I have to give the utmost thanks for your support in everything that I've been able to accomplish up until now. And hopefully here in the near future, be able to bring you more videos more on a more regular basis, I should say, now that work has finally decided to calm down quite a bit. But yes, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and please hit that subscribe button if you like this type of video. Then I can start bringing you more videos like this. Helps me out, helps you out. Either way, you scratch my back, I scratch yours. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to leave them down below, and I will do my best to facilitate that in any way, shape, or form. Alright guys, and until next time, I will see all of you on the other side of the interwebs. Take it easy.